Hey guys, Matt from Soundrolling.com, and I got Paul Caton, fellow sound mixer, on the camera, so we'll see how that goes. Basically, today we're dealing with cable noise. This is a Sanken Cos 11. I'm already wearing one under my chest as well, kind of making it obvious, so you can see where it is. And what we're dealing with is cable noise. This is just from general movement. So if you track down, you can now hear what rubbing over the cable sounds like. And now this is obviously quite vigorous, but the general idea is that things are going to move against your cable. That kind of vibration is going to get transferred to the capsule, which is capturing the sound. So the actual sound of the microphone itself making noise. This is where the Bubblebee cable saver comes in. Whole idea behind this is that we are both saving the cable and giving it kind of extra flex, but we're also kind of isolating the cable, so then we're not getting cable noise from further down the cable. And this can be tricky for a number of reasons. For instance, when you have a mic pack all the way on the ankle, that's a lot of cable that can interfere with a lot of things and potentially transfer up. So let's show how to use it, and then we'll compare one against the other. So they have kind of two holes. Whole idea is that we're going to go through one, wrap it round, and then we're going to go out through the other, and it's going to be on the cable. So let's just do that. It's a lot easier to do this actually with the DPA or any microphone that has a thinner cable, because the Sankens are pretty chunky. It's kind of the only downside about the Sankens, really. I love how they sound, and they're pretty robust, but it's always something to watch out for. So wrapping it around the kind of pre-made grooves, and then we're just going to go. I probably could have moved it down a bit further. Whoop. But we're just going to go through the very end there as well. And then when we kind of pull that out, we kind of get this stretchy motion. And this is basically acting as isolation, as well as obviously if you were to pull this, it gives it a bit of flex as well. Gives it a bit more cable saver, right? That's where it's got its name from. So now let's put on the RM11 and then put it on me, and then you can compare before and after. Okay, so now I'm going to put this underneath. We're going to put it right next to the other one. I checked the levels earlier, so they're pretty much exactly the same. So we've got our two cables going down, and remember, this is how it sounded previously. How's it going to sound on the other one? Now that is a pretty incredible difference. Even with me talking over, if I was to talk over while this was happening compared to talking over while this is happening, I think you'll agree, pretty friggin' amazing. So that is the Bubblebee cable saver for you. Look out at your local dealer. I've done a pretty bad job of taping that to myself. But anyway, here's a recommended video as well as a playlist of where you can get other tips and tricks for hiding lav mics. You can always leave your comments down below on what you thought about everything, because I love to hear your feedback, and that's pretty much where I get most of these videos from. Leave a like, of course subscribe, and I'll see you later.